At Design step, you can customize the page appearance and how content items are displayed. A content stream page consists of 4 sections: header, footer, page, and rows. You can customize the graphics, layout, color, font, and height of each section to match your brand's design. A header contains a cover image, title, description, and avatar. You can create either a video header or a graphic header and edit the cover image of the stream template. You can also edit the title and description, as well as their text color and fonts. To change the arrangement of these components on the cover image, click on Header Layout section and choose one of the available options. Click on Full Width Cover Image checkbox to remove the indent on both sides of the cover image. If you prefer not to include any components in the header, simply leave them blank in the header settings. Click Apply to see the changes in the Preview section on the right panel. One special feature of EOwn is the ability to overlay a form on the cover image to create a call to action header. To use this feature, make sure you have a form at the Create step and turn on the Overlay Header option. Then, select the form that you want to overlay on the cover image and choose one of the overlay header layouts. By clicking the plus icon on the desired position, you can add a new design component such as a blank layout, text, spacer, or divider on the page. You can change how the content items appear on a rows by hovering on the rows, selecting Change Layout, swiping left or right to preview the new layout, or clicking Layout List to view all available layouts. You can adjust the height of the rows or drag and drop them to a different location. Unassign any content items from their rows layout, which will temporarily move them to the Pending Items window. From there, you can drag and drop the unassigned content into a blank layout, or click Auto Assign to have it automatically placed. One way to make your page more on brand is to customize the color to match your brand color. To change the background color of the entire page, go to the section page, select the desired color, or enter the color code, and click Apply. You can also change the font or text color here. To increase or reduce the indent of the page, adjust the max width number. The page looks best if this number is between 795 to 1300 pixels. You can also preview your content stream before publishing to use it officially.